Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button right now, and you can also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel. I created a Telegram channel recently. I'm going to put in a link in the description. So basically what I do on my Telegram is if you have any questions, if you have any problems using if you have any problems with your smartphones, that's your Android or iOS devices, you have a problem with your MacBook, your Windows, you want a website reviewed, I can do all that for you. You just have to ask your questions in my Telegram channel, and I'm going to make a video for you on my channel regarding your question and addressing the issue. So I'm always very active on my Telegram, and I'm going to be making a video for you as soon as possible. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money easily from the comfort of your home using a website. So the website I'm going to be introducing in this video is called Swagbucks. So Swagbucks has been around for a very long time. I've been using Swagbucks for a very long time, like back then in 2018. So that's just showing how far back this website goes, and it's very legit. So basically Swagbucks doesn't actually allow all countries, so you can easily bypass that using the Hola VPN extension. If you're in some countries and you try to access the website, it actually doesn't go through right now, so you can easily use the Hola extension to bypass it, and you can easily unblock and you can get into the website. But I'm not actually using the extension right now because my country actually supports opening the website. So now I'm just going to be highlighting some ways you can make money using Swagbucks, and the first is answering surveys. So that's actually the easiest way you can earn money, and the quickest way you can earn a large amount of money using this website is by using surveys. So you just answer questions and then you get paid in Swagbucks. As you can see over there at the top right hand corner of the screen, I have 501 Swagbucks. So basically what you do is you answer surveys, you get Swagbucks, you redeem your Swagbucks for gift cards, Visa cards, cash and whatnot. So the second way you can actually earn using this website is by using the web search. Yeah, you can make Swagbucks your default browser, your default browser search engine, and then basically what you do is whenever you search for something on the web, you get paid in Swagbucks for searching the internet. So you can also use that Swagbucks and you can redeem it for gift cards, cash, like I said before. And another way you can earn easily using this website is by using the shop online. Shop and earn. So you're just gonna be shopping online. Basically what you do is when you shop on Walmart normally, you just buy your stuff, you get your product, and that's all. But when you shop using Swagbucks, like you want to buy something using Walmart, you want to buy something on Walmart and then you order it up using Swagbucks, you get cashback. As you can see here, you get 1% cashback, you earn 1 Swagbucks. So basically you can just do all your shopping using Swagbucks instead of going through the normal routine, and they actually support a whole lot of websites, and this is actually not all the websites. If you don't see a website here and you want to shop using that website and you want to get some Swagbucks as cashback, you can just add the swag button. That's a Swagbucks extension. So then when you open the website you wish to shop on, you just go to the swag button, and then you can see whether you can get cashbacks using the proposed website. So that's all about the shop and earn. It's actually not a very hard process. And another way you can earn using this website is by answering daily trivia polls. I have actually answered my polls for today. So in the polls, basically what you see is you're asked some questions, and then when you finish answering the questions you get Swagbucks. So you can do that every day. It's very renewable. So you can also get earn Swagbucks every day using the daily poll option. And another way you can earn using Swagbucks is by inviting friends. You refer and earn. You refer people to the website and you get paid. You just come here, you copy your URL, and then you get an extra 100 Swagbucks when someone you refer adds the swag button on their laptops too. So yeah, you get a referral, okay, a referral bonus of 300 Swagbucks when your referral earns 300 Swagbucks within their first 30 days of using the app. And then you also earn 10% of their Swagbucks earning for the life of their account. That for how long they use the account. As they keep using the account, you keep earning from them, and then you keep increasing your own earnings, which will give you better turnouts. So that's basically like the ways you can actually earn using this website. There are actually other ways. Okay, yeah, my best option in using this website, like my best earning option using this website, is actually this option. Okay, I'm just going to go to my home page right now. Okay, so that's the discover option. I have actually not talked about that. Okay, I'm just gonna be opening the discover option. Okay, so in this discover, what you do is there are a lot of things you can do. You invest in like you can see this, you invest in a new app, and then you earn 4,000 Swagbucks, which is actually a lot. You can download games, complete village level 10. You can download games, and when you reach a particular level, you earn a lot of Swagbucks. As you can see, there are a lot of things to do here, a whole lot of things to do here to earn Swagbucks. Like, it's a lot, and it's very, very easy. Sometimes you're asked to sign up to a website, and when you sign up, you earn Swagbucks within some days. You can also complete surveys here, but basically what you do is you do a lot of things. Like you can see here, sign up, you sign up to some websites, and then you earn Swagbucks, so you can use to redeem for cash. You can explore web content, and you can earn, like here, you deposit $10 and then you earn 5,000 Swagbucks, which is actually a very, very good deal. So yeah, the discover option is one of the best options on this application to which you can use to earn. So basically my two favorites are the discover option and answering surveys. They are very, very easy to use, and not like other options, they are not limited to countries. You can actually use those anywhere. So basically when you get your required Swagbucks, you come to redeem your Swagbucks, and you can redeem your Swagbucks for you can see gift cards. That's a whole lot of gift cards. Yeah, so you just redeem for gift cards. You can also redeem for virtual online Visa cards. Like, that's what I use mostly, the Visa reward card. So like you can see here, the price of $25 Visa card is 2,175 Swagbucks. So once you have that amount, you just redeem it for a $25 Visa card, and then with the Visa card you can add it to your PayPal. You can add the Visa card to your PayPal, and then from there you can withdraw your cash from the Visa card. But if you also want gift cards, you can also get that gift card and use it in the stores. But it's very, very advisable that you mostly use the Visa, the Visa option. I actually love the Visa option because it's very, very easily redeemable for cash. So you just get your Visa reward card, you add it to your PayPal, and then you cash it out. So for those that don't actually know how to do this, I'm gonna be making another video. I don't know how long that's going to take, but I'm going to make a video showing how you can actually turn your Visa reward card from Swagbucks directly into cash using your PayPal. So okay, that's all for this video. I think I've covered a lot about the website. I try to make my videos as short as possible, so I hope I have covered at least a little part of the website, and you know what the website is basically about. You can do some exploration on the website, and you're gonna get a whole lot more what it's actually about. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, please hit the subscribe button right now, and I put a link in the description to join my Telegram channel. So you can join my Telegram channel, so that if you have any questions regarding this video, if there are any parts I did not touch, if there are any parts you are confused about, you can drop the questions in my Telegram channel. You can drop it in the comment section, and I attend to all questions as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.